Oh shit, look at that 8:30. Is this thing going on today? Because let me see something. I had so why is my internet okay? What's that shit I be talking about? Alright. Hold up guys. Okay. I think I'm gonna jump into this trade here. Let's see if we can get 100 points, right? So it'll be like what, $2,000 if we can get 100 points. We have 300 so far. My analysis this morning was looking for longs, so I was looking for something to happen. I didn't think it was going to be that impulsive, but let's see if we can just get this pushed up to make about $2,000 on this trade. Let's see. Yep, 700. Let's just hope we can continue this momentum to the upside. If you guys are in the trade, you can always scalp out. Typically, I would have probably scalped out at 7, but I've been doing some analyzing this market, and I know we can get 100 points pretty easy if we get the right move, so hopefully this is it. I haven't been on YouTube as much because I've been doing some live day trading classes with some students that are learning, and then I have pretty much have a trading group where we trade live on Zoom. So I've been pretty much trading with them. That's why I haven't been on YouTube as much. But today, since it's a holiday, I gave them the day off, but I'm still trying to see if we can capitalize on this market and grab some money. So we up like 850 right now, looking good, 750. But yeah, if you guys want to get involved on the live trading group, let me know. I'll put the web address where you can send me your email and stuff, and I'll give you guys it's a paid group, but because these students that are paying, but I'll give you guys like free access for a couple of days because we get these trades just like this, but we also do market analysis with the group. Really won't be doing that too much on YouTube per se, but I kind of did some stupid shit last night. I'm over it. I recovered from it, but just not. One of the things I'm stressing to the kids, well, not the kids, the students, is like sticking to your trade plan. If you're working a particular strategy and it does not present itself, you do not trade. And that prevents you from, getting into positions that ultimately may not work out. So I'm still holding this. We did hit $1,000, but I want to try to see if we can hit 2. So if we get another 50 points, we're up a little over 1,000 now, and then I'll get up out of it. Even though $1,000 is good, so. watching this trade, so I don't have um, a stop loss or take profit set because I'm not in class. But you guys should have a take profit set, or you should be at least trailing price, um, which I probably should be doing as well. But again, if you guys were in the trade initially, you guys, like, I'm a scalper, so one of the things I've been working on is holding my trades longer so I can catch bigger moves. So at any point, you guys can always scalp out of these positions. You don't have to hold the positions, all right? Like, it's nobody's fault but your own. If you were up 1,000 and now you down 500, you could have took it. There's always a part two to every situation. You can hold it, potentially make more, or it could go down and you could lose everything. So scalp out, if that's something that you feel comfortable with doing. Like right here, let me check my other screen. I think we're okay to kind of hold this. I don't normally trade on TraderRate's platform itself, so I don't even know how to put a stop on here. Like, let me see. All right, I'm gonna put a stop there. That way, if it do push down past there, it'll stop us out in profit. So I got to stop at 612 because this is a pretty nice momentum candle, and it could push down all the way down to back to about like 590 before deciding they want to go back up. So we'll get back in. All right, so we just got stopped out of that in profit though. So again, like I said, if you guys were in this trade, we got up to $1,000. Now, granted, technically we don't like to grab these trades while they're taking place, but because of the momentum in that candle, I felt comfortable with jumping in, so that's why we jumped in. And we will be getting back in. Let's just let this candle settle out. If you guys hear, I got some clothes in the dryer, so you could probably hear some noise in the background. I think I want to go ahead on and grab another buy here. I'm going to wait till 8:40 when this candle closes. It came right to our stop and pulled up, so probably should have put a little tighter, a little wider stop on that, but it's all good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and buy on this here. And let's see. Probably should have held it, considering my bias is bullish today anyway, but we want to play what the market is giving us and not what we want, because sometimes the market can change courses and go a completely direction. Anyway, I hope you guys are finding this, at least useful or helpful. If you guys want to be a part of the live trading group, the web page is the Wealth Propellers. So my name, but with an S on the end, and there's a contact us form on there. Just complete that form with your name and your email. I'll get it, and I'll send you guys access to the group. I won't be here long. I'll probably try to see if I can trade market open, but we'll see. So we're retesting this this little midpoint range here. So as long as that we can kind of hold up above or within this area, we're looking all right. Like, I don't want to see us break below that previous candle's wick with a close. That's what we're not looking for. looks like it's pushing back down. Just a tad bit. Now we're retesting this whole like overnight range, like from this morning. This London session here was just kind of choppy, trading sideways. So this is where the resistance is held up at. This is where the market tests your patience.
All the names.
So cold.
I know.
I didn't stick to my trade plan last night, so I lost some money this morning on live. Just made $1,000 for them, right? But I lost more than 1,000 yesterday, so it didn't even.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like, mind you, that thing I told myself, it's like, all right, you're going to sleep in the morning, that's it. You know what I mean? Like,
That's
but
it
part
every
of my
time.
thing.
I
It's
know.
always
Like,
my discipline.
just
like,
do what the fuck you
it's-
said you was going to do. Let me go grab my phone. That's funny.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry. So we up about $200 so far right now. We held that again. Now we could have held that on that drop, but like I said, we wanted to be kind of smart and not be, giving back too much profit or whatever. My initial target this morning was 640, 21,640, which is where we're at. That was target one. Target two is obviously the high from last week. I can't remember what day that was, maybe Friday, I'm not sure. So technically, that first candle hit my target for the day, but I wanted to try to see if we could hit like $2,000, right? So we probably should have scalped out when we were up 1,000. We didn't. So now we back in, attempting to recapture the remainder of this move if, the market wants to give it to us. Right now we're up like 250. So if you guys are in the trade, remember I said you guys can scalp out of the position. You don't have to hold it for the duration, all right? Right now we up $300. If you want the $300, take it and go home. Take a nap, do whatever you gotta do for the rest of your day. Again, like I said earlier on the call, I do this live with our trading group. If you guys want to be in the group, let me know. I'll get you guys set up because I will not be doing, our analysis on YouTube. And I won't be doing too much live trading on YouTube. I'll be doing that inside the paid group. It's going to be a very small fee for those of you who are coming from YouTube, especially those like day ones that I know. So if you guys want to get in now. Because as you guys already know, if you've been following me for some time, even on the old channel, we do this every day. We make money every day. And we always trade with 1 or 2 contracts, you know what I'm saying? So, you've been up over $1,000 right now if you took the trade with me this morning at 8:30, and it's only been 15 minutes. And my live classes are typically like 1,000 a week, but these are my in-person classes, like when I'm sitting down with the people. So normally $1,000 a week. My current student is a friend of a friend, so she pays $650 a week, but we're making thousands of dollars in class every day, or hundreds of dollars in class every day. So like she's made back her money times 10. And it's not more so about paying me for the courses, it's more so about an investment in herself, her education, and knowledge to be able to gain a skill set that can change her life. So even with the paid, group online, it's not about me. I want people who are dedicated and serious to this industry, to this game. They really want to learn it and really want to make some money. You know what I'm saying? We're going to lose trades all the time. We're going to make mistakes. We're going to occasionally may have some FOMO, you know what I'm saying? But we got to consistently improve every day, and that's my goal, even with myself, consistently improving every day. Last night, I didn't stick to my trade plan. I wanted to jump in during the Asian session when the market opened, and I ended up losing well over $1,500, you know what I'm saying, because I was doing some stupid shit when I should have been just waiting till my setup presented itself, right? So whatever strategy you're trading, whatever setup you got, stick to your plan. That's the biggest thing I can tell you, stick to your plan. Because when you don't do that, you start getting into trades that you would not have gotten into had you stuck to your plan. Had I stuck to my plan last night, they presented a setup for me. One might have been there this morning during London, but I was asleep. New York session, the setup came to me with this 8:30 candle, so I took the trade without hesitation because I was sticking to a plan. So, essentially, I'm still myself, making mistakes as well. There's no perfect trader, you know what I'm saying? So I want you guys to actually get some experience from somebody who's actually like doing this, somebody who's making mistakes with you. A lot of these YouTube people or teachers or whatever, they want to make it seem like they like got it down packed, they don't make no mistakes, and that's not true. The market do what it wants to do, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have no control over what this market does. But I'm not going to give y'all a big rant. I'm going to let that hang out right there. If you guys want to join, you know what to do. It's so normally in class, when it starts approaching 9 o'clock, any positions that we are in, we typically will get out of, right? Because typically, if the market decides it wants to pull back before market open to fill in some of this imbalance down here, we don't want to be in that trade, right? So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this trade now. And lock in, $350 or whatever, to let the market kind of do what it do. If the market want to continue pushing up, fine. We'll look for an entry on a pullback once market open. But the half an hour before market open, we don't want to be in trade. So we will pre-market analysis, typically 7 a.m., 7:30, 7:45. We're looking for trade setups to potentially take a trade for pre-market. If we make a significant amount of money during pre-market, we may sit the New York Open out, just to kind of lock in capital and not get back too much money. So if that's the case, that's normally what we do. But typically around 8:50 to 9 o'clock, I tell the students to get out in positions. Now, granted, you can stay in your position. You can hold your trade if you want, right? By all means, do what you do. But if you trade NASDAQ, you know that the market has a tendency of pulling back in the morning, right before open, recapturing any of the move that happened on pre-market, right? If it's a strong trend, we will continuously push up, right? But that we're currently in an overbought state in the market right now. So the market can potentially pull back. And as you can see, just looking at these candles, the momentum is dying down, right? I don't really use volume on here, but I'm pretty sure the volume is pretty low. If it wasn't, we would get a stronger push up. So, like I said, I'm sitting out until market open, but like I said, if you guys are in the trade, you're in profit, just make sure you're trailing your profit and you're locking in money as price is moving up in your favor. If you get stopped out, it's not the end of the world as long as you get stopped out in profit, right? Because that's not a loss, that's still a win. A win is a win, right? So right now, for what we've been trading this morning, we 2-0. We've had 2 winning trades, and you guys have seen them live, and hopefully you guys have been able to capture some of those moves yourself as well. All right. She pushing up, baby. Let me look at the screen. Yeah, this is a beautiful trade. I mean, I'm on my other screen. I have my chart marked up with my setup, but I kind of want to just jump back in this too. I like how that's pushing up. So I jump back in, but I'm looking at how this trade set up. I mean, we smashed my take profit. Like I told you guys earlier, it was at 21,640. I was looking for an entry, around 21,600 potentially, and we got it, smashed it, hit the take profit, and market is still pushing up. So I just jumped back into this, but I technically don't want to do that. You don't want to be chasing price, right? That's what I call chasing price. Anytime a move has already started, I consider that you're trying to chase price. But looking at the momentum, I'm feeling like, this may be something that I can hold on to through to the open, but I'm not sure though, because I'm still looking at this small imbalance down here around 570 to like 600. Market could potentially pull back down, so we'll see. All right, I just put the web address inside the comments. So something in my gut is telling me to get out of my position and wait for the session to open. I think that's just because that's just my normal routine of things. But again, like I'm human, so sometimes when the market gives like a certain reaction, I'll be wanting to like capitalize off of it if I can. But I'm reading price. I mean, definitely in a bullish market. I just don't want to be in a big drawdown on a pullback, especially not nothing of upwards of like 100 points, All right, there we go. Got another push up there. Another $300. I think I want to scalp out. I'm going to take that another 320. And I'm gonna wait for New York Open before I get back into another trade. So, what time is it? It's 8:56. All right, guys. So it's 8:56. Like I said, I won't be trading live the New York session market open on YouTube. I will be going into Zoom at 9 o'clock to get with my paid members that trade live with me. So again, if you guys want access to that group, let me know. The website is in the comment section, and I'll give you guys free access. But that's only if you complete that form within the next 24 hours, because after that you will have to pay. You guys get free access now to see exactly the trades that we take, how we take the trades, and if you took trades from me this morning, you technically made, you could have made, I want to say we got the whole the extra 100 points. You know what I'm saying? You would have made close to $2,000, and you wouldn't even have to trade the New York market. So this is why it's important for you to link up with traders or community or a group that actually does this and know what they're doing, right? And not to say that we're the best out here, because we're not. We lose a lot of money. I just lost money last night being stupid and not sticking to my trade plan. But that's not something that we will do in class, because obviously we have to stick to our plan in class, right? So if you guys want access to that, the website's there. If not, then I'll see you guys the next time I get on YouTube. I'm going to get up out of here, go get with the group so we can make some money during the New York session. So I will holler at you guys later. Appreciate you guys for watching, tuning in. If you found value in today, you made some money today, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, share the channel, help me grow the community. If you guys do that,